Hello guys, my name is Shubham Kumar and I am a data science and business analytics intern at the Sparks Foundation. Our first task is to predict the percentage score of students on the basis of hours studied by them. So we are following some steps to complete this task. Our first step is to import the dataset. So we will be importing all the required libraries for this task like NumPy, DayPandas, Matplotlib, so on. So we are reading data from the remote link which was given in the earlier. In the second step, we would be visualizing the data set. So using the data.plot, we are visualizing the data set. Here on the X level it's hours studied and on the Y level it's the percentage score. So seeing this graph we can conclude that it follows linear regression, and we can use the linear regression supervised machine model on it to predict the further values. Our step 3 is to prepare the data. So we are allotting X and Y values. Now we are splitting the data into training and testing data. So in next step is to train the algorithm. After splitting our data, we are going to train our algorithm. So using sklearn, we would be training our algorithm, and when the training is complete, our next step is to visualize the model. So there's a visualization of the training data. It follows the linear regression model, and also for the test data we have visualized the module. Now next step is to making predictions. In here we are predicting the Y value, which is the percentage score of a student, and we are passing an argument which is the numbers of hours studied by the student using the predict function. Now we are comparing the actual and predicted value. Here actual score is 20 and our predicted score is 16.88 something. So we can say that is close enough. Now we have to check with given data in the task. When the task numbers of hours studied was 9.25 hours, then what would be the percentage of the student? So here we have passed that hour and created a variable hour spread, and we are assigning the value of percentage to this variable. Here the predicted score is 93.69 something, and in next step and last step, step 7, evaluating the model. In this final step we will be evaluate the performance of the algorithm by the mean absolute error. We have calculated the mean absolute error of the our algorithm. So this is it guys. Thank you.